Hello. Today we are looking at how to run Windows applications on a Chromebook. Please take note that not all Windows applications work with all of these methods, but many do. Some of these methods runs natively on your Chromebook and others are cloud streaming services. Some of these methods are paid and others are free. We will look at 5 different methods. Firstly, we will look at Wine. Wine is an application layer that allows us to install some Windows applications on a Chromebook. Firstly, we will enable Linux apps on our device. To do this, we will go to our System Settings and click on the Advanced section on the left panel. Now we click on the Developer section. Now we will turn on the Linux apps. Now that we have enabled Linux apps on our system, we will continue to the next step, which is to run several commands in a terminal that will install Wine. All the commands are in the video description. Now we will copy the first command and open a terminal session from our app menu. Next, we will paste the command into our terminal, either with a 2-finger click on your terminal or click Ctrl, Shift and V together. This command will enable 32-bit architecture for Wine on your system. Press Enter. Now we will download the Wine security key and add it to our system. Now we will add the Wine repository to our system. Now we will update our system repositories of our Linux apps. Now we will install Wine and a Linux file manager which we will use to launch Windows applications with. Press Enter to confirm the installation. Wine is now installed. Now we need to install one additional package which Wine requires. Click on Install to confirm the installation. Now we will download an example Windows application and launch it. Please follow the video as a visual guide. To access the Wine-C drive, like in Windows, go here. Now we will continue to the next method, which is to install Windows applications with Crossover. Crossover is a program based on Wine but very user-friendly. Firstly, we will turn on Linux apps. To do this, we will go to our system settings and click on the Advanced section on the left panel. Now we click on the Developer section. Now we will turn on the Linux apps. Now that we have enabled Linux apps on our system, we will continue to the next step, which is to run one command in a terminal. Now we will copy the first command and open a terminal session from our app menu. Next, we will paste the command into our terminal, either with a two-finger click on your terminal or click Ctrl, Shift and V together. This command will update the software sources of the Linux apps. Press Enter. Now we will continue to the next part of the installation process, which is to download Crossover. The link is in the video description. Download the trial version here. Fill in your details here. You don't want to buy Crossover in the future. We explain in the video tutorial how you can continue to use the free version legally as long as you want. Now we will open the package in our file manager. Right-click on Crossover and install it with Linux apps. Now we will launch Crossover. Let's install an example program. Please follow the video as a visual guide. As you can see, some programs require an installer which you need to place in your Linux files in your file manager. As you can see, the program is installed. Now we will launch it. You can access the C drive of the application here, similar as in Windows. Now we will continue to the next option, which is a cloud service platform called Shadow, where you rent a Windows computer and can access it via a Play Store application, install any Windows application on it. Please take note that it is paid and not available in all countries. Now we look at the next method, similar as the previous option, where you rent a Windows computer. But here you access it via your browser and it has a trial plan. Let's try it out. Lastly, we'll look at GeForce Now briefly. It is a cloud gaming platform by NVIDIA. You can cloud stream many Windows-only games with it which you own on Steam, Epic Games, etc. Here is a list of all the current supported games. We hope you found this video helpful. Enjoy!